Hi, my name is Andrew Williams. I'm the engineering manager with the electronics manufacturing division at Pride Industries. And I'm here to talk about design for manufacturability and why it matters. Why is design for manufacturability important? So DFM enables us to utilize more efficient processes and more standardized processes. And this increases the quality output from standard processes, allows us to create a more consistent process that's repeatable. And this creates a win-win situation, not just for us, but also for our customers. Their design can become more robust, reliability is being built into the design, and they're going to get a higher quality, lower cost product as a readily available design as opposed to something that's custom. How are global supply disruptions affecting design for manufacturability? When products use components that are no longer available, that put that product at risk for the market. In those cases, a redesign may be a solution that will resolve that component by going to a component that is readily available. In those cases, a complete redesign of a board may be required, and those actions and assisting in those actions from our perspective enables us to embed DFM directly into that new design, as well as accommodating the supply chain risk that existed to begin with. We recently worked with a customer to redesign one of their main boards for their product in a very short period of time to accommodate a new processor that was readily available when the current processor used had an 8-month or longer delay in the supply chain. That very short period of redesign created a win-win situation for both us from a DFM perspective and a producibility for that product, as well as for the customer to ensure their market representation for their product. Besides supply chain shortages, what other factors are currently influencing manufacturing design? There are many other factors that can play into design and design characteristics. End-of-life considerations are becoming more important nowadays with products when it comes time to remove them from service or send them to a recycling type of a process. The ability to remove components from a product or to scrap components off of a product to make them better for recycling, that's becoming a larger factor in how products are designed. One thing that needs to be made sure of is when a sustainability factor is introduced into a design, you don't want to interfere with the manufacturability of that product. So those two have to come together. It's becoming more common for a product not just to be designed for a feature or for a use, but also to be done in a smart way that doesn't negatively impact the environment. This can be done as simple as using environmentally friendly plastics, using a smaller amount of hardware so that there's less waste when it does come to its end of life for that product, etc. Those types of items can easily be introduced and involved in the manufacturing process so that the costs to do so from an environmental standpoint aren't greatly impacting the cost of the product. What should electronics manufacturers look for in a DFM partner? This is a vital question. It should get asked frequently by anybody looking for a contract manufacturer or EMS provider. With a DFM partner in your manufacturing, you want to look for a company that has experienced engineers that can provide high levels of detail on a DFM perspective. You want to make sure that their processes they're using internally are very robust, of course, certified to ISO, etc., so that you can leverage their facility as an extension of your own. Part of that is to correlate the manufacturing process into your design. So being able to provide simple standard DFM reviews free of charge as a standard activity is crucial. It creates a win-win situation for both customers and the EMS company. And then also having detailed DFM reviews with the engineers on staff, preferably that are designers in past lives or maybe have access to software such as Altium or other design software to do that next layer of DFM review all the way down to the board layers as an example. You want that in your facility for that next layer DFM that's going to provide you all of these features that I've previously mentioned. That wraps up the questions for DFM. As a summary, just wanted to explain that DFM is critical, creates win-win situations for you and your EMS provider. And if any way we can provide more detail, please look at that on our website. And then also, if you'd like to reach out and contact us, please do so. We have plenty to offer, and we'd love to give a facility tour. Thank you.